What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, you guys see we are at the Ford dealer. Man, that only means one thing. Yes, we finally got our truck back. Yes, here it is. Ford Raptor back in our presence. Man, we had to get a whole transmission wiring harness and a whole $1,900 fix. But that's why you have extended warranty, guys. Man, that thing came down to $200. So we living a life right now, and I'm loving the truck. I'm loving this extended warranty, man. I was in the process of looking for a whole nother truck, but now that we got that thing fixed, knowing that we still got extended warranty, man, it's time to get it together, man. I can't wait. We got the OG cap on today, man. I ain't wore this thing in like legit like months, man. I'm excited. I might have to do another camo feature pretty soon, man. But without further ado, man, here we are. Can't wait, dog. Just made it back to the house, man. You guys see the freaking title, man. The transporter should be here shortly with our 2020 Road Glide special. I can't wait, man. You guys already seen how we came out with this one, man. I'm about to make this other one look real nice too, man. So you guys already know myself. I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to enter the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide that you're about to see here next, man. You guys already know what I'm capable of, man. So don't hesitate to enter. Go ahead and head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered to win my 2020 Road Glide special. Then we got another 2014 Road King on our way over here. Jason is about to be picking these things up. Meanwhile, today we will be seeing where these things are headed, man. So I can't wait. And it's almost game time, man. So we still got a little time to grind, man. In the meantime, we're gonna wait for the transporter to pull up and see how good or bad this thing look. I can't wait though. There it is. Here we go, guys. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Yep, big trailer right there ready for your boy. Can't wait. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see what time it is, man. Y'all see the title. What's up, man? Man, good. How about yourself?
Been zigzagging all over Vegas.
Right. Ashton, nice to meet you, man.
I had a bunch of deliveries for what's a company called Right Now, but you know their bikes are dirty.
Yeah. No, I figured it was kind of dirty and jacked up, man. I'm like,
it's actually not bad.
See, and I was going to ask you too, but I'm like, I know most transporters, when I ask them that, they're going to be like, man, it's fucking terrible, dude.
Oh, no. They actually, this one, so Fremont's nice.
Okay,
that other
cool.
One, but sadly, they took they're like, okay, you know, I'm already in there. They know.
Right.
IAA has us in their
queue.
As far as like, oh, yeah, this truck. Okay, they're going to bring it out. And then all of a sudden I'm doing something. She goes, sir. She came all the way outside, which is weird because you never see them.
Right, you never see them come out.
Only the big forklift drivers.
Right.
And she goes, the bike's in Fremont. I'm like, oh, you because remember that's what it originally said.
Yeah, no, that's the address that they sent me.
And so then sadly, I was right next to Fremont, so then that's 2 hours, which didn't hit Bay Area traffic. Which
wow, so it pushed you back a little bit more.
Oh yeah, watch out. And then, but when I got to Fremont, and I've been to that one quite a few times.
Right.
They actually have a lot more bikes than most.
Oh, okay, so that's more so like...
It was a girl forklift driver, which is rare, younger.
Oh, wow, I've never seen that. As many options I've been to, I've never seen that.
Neither have I.
Yeah.
I've been to this one on top of it.
Right.
And she goes, the bike's in really good shape, and I think she really just didn't want to hook up.
Right, yeah.
Because if they don't know where to strap...
Yeah,
there's nothing worse than when you're looking at a pretty nice...
Oh, bro, I had a 2021, brand new 21 from IAA, brand fucking new, just like this. The dude didn't know how to strap it up, so when he picked it up, dude broke like damn near the whole interface. We don't know that
because we don't see
what
we
the
don't
pictures
see what
are.
It was like when it was sitting. We see dangling bike.
Yeah, exactly.
I truly think this girl just didn't want to strap up to it.
Yeah, no,
so she goes.
It's all good. It works for me.
So this one before has let me in back when I picked up a bunch of Aprilias for a dealership in Denver. They part out RV. Anyways, they part out Aprilias.
Right.
And so I've been back there before, and she goes, are you the one picking up the
road? Yeah.
It looks like it's in really good shape because they have a little picture, and she goes, do you want to come back there with me? I'm like, sure, because back
make
in the
it
day,
easy, yeah.
Copart and IA used to let us go back there.
Oh, damn.
But I guarantee people stole stuff they weren't supposed to.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Damaged things. Probably someone got hurt. Who knows?
For sure. I would not doubt it.
I get it, but up until about 7 years ago, they used to let us go back there.
Right.
Because this one had a lot. Some of them only have like 5.
Right,
and
exactly.
There's been times I'm looking at it, like where that wall is.
Right, I can see it, and you're waiting for it.
right there, and I'm
right.
like 18th in line. I'm like, son of a bitch,
yeah,
it's going to be 2 hours.
Right, yeah, no, for sure.
Well, Copart has changed.
That sounds like Arizona, man. Phoenix or
Copart,
something.
we now have to register beforehand. It's like, I don't know when the...
Yeah.
And then, or you register, and then you're there, and then you sit for 3 hours. Like, why do you even?
Yeah, it's nuts. It's really nuts, especially if you got a bike. They're gonna put you at the end, man.
Well, they
that
don't
thing
put you.
looks good.
Actually, I think they just go in order, but
That thing looks good. I ain't gonna hold
like I
you.
said, it's not.
Yeah.
It really is not bad.
Yeah, it looks a lot better than I expected.
The
That's for
lights, like
sure.
It's just left.
Yeah, see
Tank's good.
that side actually looks really good.
I don't know if they marked that because there's dent. I can't see it. I need your help.
Oh yeah.
This thing's a little.
Here,
awkward.
I'll just put it in neutral and roll it up.
Oh, it's in neutral.
Oh, it's in neutral already?
Yeah. It's just the handlebar's a little tweaked, so it just makes it a. I can get it from this side.
All right, so you got it?
Nope, not yet. Not until we're straight. I got it.
Cool.
Yeah, I'll just need.
And you can just sit it right here out because I'm gonna wash it up and stuff. So.
But yeah, not bad.
Yeah, no, it looks good, man. I appreciate it.
But like I said, like I said, it's being a bike person. I like
Right,
it.
right.
Go back there, Mike. But like I said, it's only Fremont, and I've been to all sorts.
All of them, yeah.
They're the only one that lets me do that, and like I said, I think she just didn't want to.
Alrighty, now that our transporter is out of here, man, it is time to check out this bike. We have a 2020 Road Glide Special. That is State Farm bike. We got the keys and everything. Does say run and drive. Looks like it's pretty nice. Of course, the crash bar is going to be bent. Air breather is a little bit cracked, but we already got an air breather on the way. We low-key might have a freaking crash bar for this already. So we'll be able to pull this thing off. It's dusty as heck. Let's see. Battery's totally dead. Just like I guessed it. But everything is pretty much intact from what I'm seeing. We finally got us a set of stretch bags, man. We ain't had a set of stretch bags in a long time. Stretch bags that we gonna paint, that is. It looks really good. Got a little bit of scratch down here. No big deal. Can't wait. Like I said, really nice bike. 2020 on the year. Looks really good, man. Let me know what y'all think about this thing. We're about to get this thing cleaned up before we even pull it in. And get some juice to it with the battery after that. So we're gonna clean this thing up and get to it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it though in the meantime, man. Can't wait. Just like that, guys, we got her all cleaned up, looking good. Now it reminds me a lot of that 2021 Road Glide Special we just had, minus the graphics and stuff, of course, but literally the same type of red if you really look at it. Now my idea is I'm gonna go something a little bit different than this. We may or may not keep this red colorish, but it's definitely gonna be switched all the way up. Can't wait, man. So we probably gonna see if we can get this thing started or something pretty soon. And after that, of course, maybe take it a swing around or something, bust it down, get it to Antonio, get this thing looking like something. I mean, the paint is really not that bad. It's literally just the bag over here, that bag, the outer fairing here, and here Antonio can get us all right and matching there. That would be the easiest thing. So I don't know, we'll see. Definitely need to add some wheels and stuff to it, but we'll see what's going on, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Can't wait to get this thing started and seeing how it's sounding. So right now we got no juice in this thing, so gonna see if we can put a battery pack to it, get some power to it or something, man. Alrighty, guys, we got our battery box hooked up. Most of the time this doesn't work when the battery is like completely dead like it is here, but with the battery pack, it did give us some juice. Down. Thing was hella loud. Let's see if we can. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. It only needed a little bit of juice. Started right up. Only needed a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Got a full tank of gas over there. 1,900 miles. 1,900 miles on this 2020 Road Glide Special, y'all. You can't get no better than that. I mean, our blue one has 500 miles over there, but literally 1,900 miles. You can't get much better than that. Actually loving it. I'm feeling like it would be looking great with some like black and red wheels on there, like black, all black with like the red buttons or something like that, man. Thing would look sick. Then again, man, y'all know my taste on it. It'll be a lot better, so don't know what I'm gonna do just yet, but it is running good, sounding even better. I mean, it's pretty much stock, of course. Oh, dang. Yeah, we gotta keep this thing running for a minute. As soon as we cut that battery off, it's gonna be a wrap. But it do run, man, so I'm here for it. What y'all think? Let your boy know in the comments below. Get a little vroom action. I'm here for it, man. Now that we know it's start and run, we can bring it up the hill, put it in the garage, get this freaking crash bar off, get these little floorboards situated here, man. But y'all see it here first. It's always the freaking easy, simple stuff that take forever and a day. A freaking strip bolt will have you here all day. But we got that bolt out. We're gonna need some new floorboard like hinges. These are like bent. So the floorboard hinge there. This brake pedal is bent here. Air filter, of course, we got that in the mail already. Fender looks to be all right. We'll check it out in more thorough view here. But I mean, so far so good. If that air breather wasn't jacked up, it would look like dang near perfect. But like I said, it's pretty much not that bad of a bike, man. I'm digging it. Just a few little corks and screws, but no big deal. Speaking of crash bar, I do got a brand new crash bar here. Now, this black one was for my blue one. However, this one, the one that came off the black one, it literally mounts down here to these little bolts down here, so it doesn't even mount up top up there. So this one is the one that mounts on top up there. If you guys have the newer bikes, you'll know the difference. But this one is pretty much for this bike. We pretty much got to order one specifically for that bike for the lower mounted engine guard. But we're gonna freaking try to mock this one up and get it on there real quick, clear some of these boxes that we don't need. Now that I'm looking at it, freaking this crash bar can't even go on this bike. Cause this Road Glide got these like fairing mounted, I mean not fairing, but like crash bar mounted turn signals. So that's not even gonna work on that. So probably gonna have to send this crash bar back and get the right one, cause we got pretty much two bikes. We can't get this one on either one of them. So I don't know, we gonna see. Now as much as I can freaking keep this bike red and take the easy way out, I definitely think I'm going to be breaking this thing down later on today and taking it to Antonio. So you guys will see that here soon. But I want to keep it together for the freaking for the giveaway, man. So we'll do the giveaway, come back out here later on and finish it off. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I wanna thank everybody out there for tuning in today. What did you guys think about the 2020 Road Glide Special, man? We already got that thing buzzed down. It's time to head to Antonio and get that thing painted. Meanwhile, our 2021 Road Glide Special and our 2014 are out of here, man. This one is heading to North Carolina. That one is headed to Hayward, California, man. I can't wait to get these things out of here and get them delivered. So them things should be coming here any day now. Meanwhile, like I said, we got our paint set off our 2020, man. It's time to take that thing in, get that thing customized. Meanwhile, we got to put it on order for the wheels, man. Hopefully them things will be done next week. So by the time we get the paint back, we should be getting the wheels back. And then I got another 2014 Road King on the way right now. It should be here tomorrow. So I can't wait for that, man. This thing is gonna look good. If you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys missed the giveaway for these 2 minutes, never the end of the road, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are giving away our 2020 Road Glide special with the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on it, man. I can't wait to see how this thing comes out, man, and I know you can't either. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we about to load the truck up and get on up out of here, dog. I'll catch you guys on the next one, though, dog. Peace.